If you want to get the best cordless screwdriver according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have Black & Decker 4V Max BDCSF L20C. This screwdriver has a 3-position handle, swapping easily from a straight screwdriver to a 45-degree or right-angle driver in seconds. It uses 1/4 inch driver bits, so you can swap between bits or use the chuck as a 1/4 inch nut driver. The screwdriver boasts an LED flashlight that was unusually bright, making it easy to see in darkened areas. The 4-volt screwdriver comes with 2 bits and a charger. Its 4-volt lithium-ion battery held a charge well throughout the testing, and this model features a built-in battery and a simple charger cord that plugs in directly. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT 8V Max Cordless Screwdriver Kit DC F680N2. Like other cordless DEWALT tools, the 8V Max cordless screwdriver comes with a removable battery. This cordless screwdriver has a gyroscopic trigger that activates the motor with the motion of a wrist. Twist the tool to the right, it will tighten or drive a screw. Twist left, and it will loosen the screw. It also has 2 LEDs to light up a workpiece as well as a 2-position handle that allows a choice between a pistol grip and a straight barrel screwdriver. To keep from stripping out the screws, it has a 15-position clutch we adjusted to suit the density of the boards. It features a speed range of up to 430 RPM and a torque range of up to 40 inch-pounds. The 1/4 inch chuck fits standard bits, and the lithium-ion battery can be used in other DEWALT 8-volt cordless tools. The number 3 position is held by SKIL Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver SD5 161801. Small but mighty, this diminutive SKIL Rechargeable Cordless Screwdriver is the perfect size for stowing with other frequently used household items in a drawer or on a closet shelf. It weighs just 13.6 ounces and is less than 6 inches long. This handy SKIL cordless screwdriver accepts 1/4 inch bits and features 2 magnetic screw bit holders on either side of the barrel. It has an LED guide light, and it comes with a built-in 4-volt battery that can generate up to 220 RPM. A battery charging cable is included. The SKIL tool worked well for inserting screws in drywall. The handle comes with a comfortable non-slip grip and has direction reverse buttons on either side, making the tool handy for both right-handed and left-handed users. Next at number 4, we have SKIL Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver SD5 161201 Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver SD5 161201. This compact cordless screwdriver boasts a dual LED light and changeable bits and a micro USB charger. The chuck accepts any 1/4 inch drive bit and also functions as a 1/4 inch nut driver. It is both forward and reverse. While it inserted screws effortlessly in drywall, it bogged down when trying to insert screws in wood boards. Still, it's so valuable at sensing circuits that this cordless screwdriver could be reserved solely for electrical maintenance jobs. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by WORX WX255L. The screw holder module is well made, and just by pushing on the tip, the screw clamp opens and fits snugly around the screw shaft. Equally helpful, the clamp held the screws as we removed them, so no screws fell to the floor. The WX255L screwdriver comes with a handy bit swapping feature that rotates through bits by sliding the top back and forth. Simply continue sliding to find the bit that's wanted. It has a 4-volt built-in battery that can hold a charge for months when the tool is not in use. The onboard bit storage and light 1.5-pound heft make this an excellent compact and portable cordless screwdriver. The WORX cordless drill also comes with a guide light, making the tool best suited for well-lit use. Still, for tasks such as aligning and inserting drywall screws, this tool is quite handy. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.